Driver of the Mustang, shut the car off! Shut the car off!
Let's go, Marty. Let's go.
Go. Hey, they're over there. They're over there.
Still south of Norway, oncoming traffic.
Hey,
he's crashing out.
Get the air. Get the air.
Spinning out. Going westbound on force. Right front tires pop. They're gonna bail. They're gonna bail.
Force and crown. 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 Hey, hands! 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 Hey, watch out. Hold on. Hands! Passenger! Hey, slow down. Slow down. Slow down. Hey, get some cover. Get some cover.
Get in the fucking ground.
Turn off your sirens. Turn off your sirens.
Right there, don't fucking move.
Hey, driver, come out with your hands up. Hands up. Keep them up. Step away. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Hey, get the passenger back. Turn off the fucking sirens.
Should have got him further back.
Turn off the sirens.
Should have got him further back.
Hey, get the passenger in custody. Go with passengers.
No, you got more. You got more.
Hey, just get one at a time. One at a time.
Let me see both hands. Both hands.
Watch crossfire.
Crossfire.
Hey, take that guy into custody. The guy, hey, no, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up.
One at a time. Walk backwards.
Slow down, slow down, slow down. Take your time.
Walk towards me. Walk towards my boys.
Okay, we have 3 occupants. We're getting the passenger detained. We got everyone laid out right now.
Sure we don't get more?
Is there anyone else inside? There's only 3 of y'all. Okay, driver, stand up. Okay, lift the collar of your jacket and lift it up. Lift it up, show me skin. Face away. Show us skin. Take off your jacket. Pull up your collar. Pull up your collar. Okay, start walking back. Keep coming. Hands up. Hands up. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Y'all go hands. Keep coming. Keep coming. Get on your knees. Get on your knees. Hands behind your back.
I can't.
Hey, passenger.
Possible third suspect in the back. Getting him out right now. Hold on.
One at a time.
Let me see both hands. Both hands.
Crossfire. Hey, take that guy into custody. Guy, no.
No. Párate. Hold on. One at a time. Walk backwards. Walk backwards.
Slow down.
Walk backwards.
Take your time.
Walk towards me. Walk towards my boys. I'm going hands.
So we have 3 occupants. We're in the passenger.
We don't know there's more.
We got everyone laid out right now.
Anyone else inside?
Take him back now.
There's only 3 of y'all. Okay.
Whatever unmarks on North Lakeside right now, you got no tail lights off.
Okay, lift the collar of the jacket and lift it up.
Clear the air.
Take it away. Show us skin. Take off the jacket. Okay, no. Párate. Hold on. One at a time. Walk backwards. Walk backwards. Walk backwards.
Take your time.
Walk towards me. Walk towards my boys. I'm going hands.
We have 3 occupants. We're in the passenger.
We don't know there's more.
We got everyone laid out right now.
Anyone else inside?
Take him back there.
There's only 3 of y'all. Okay, driver.
Whatever unmarks on North Lakeside right now, you got no tail lights.
Okay, lift the collar of your jacket and lift it up. Lift it up, show me skin. Face away. Show us skin. Take out the jacket. Pull up your collar. Pull up your collar. Okay, start walking back. Keep coming. Hands up. Hands up. Keep coming. Keep coming.
Your marks will be arrived on 40 in Lakeside. There are plenty of units on the east side. The units on Crown and Border. Watch for crossfire. Do not approach from the weather.
Okay, you on the ground. Get up. Hands up. Face away.
Okay, we got the detain, we're getting the third one.
Turn around, turn around.
I'll go hands on him.
All right, I'm gonna go. I got a lethal. All right, start walking back, slowly. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Hold on.
Hey, stack up on me over here.
Here's my phone, my phone.
Hey, I'm on the phone. Give me one more.
Nothing, man. I don't got nothing.